The fastest way you can make money online is simply you rendering a service one-on-one. For example, if you are a brilliant soccer coach and you can teach a 8-year-old, 10-year-old, 12-year-old on how to become a very good soccer player, you can actually document a video with your hook, value proposition, CTA, so that you are driving your potential market to you. Document that video, run that ad with a 10-mile radius whereby people are living close to you, the proximity. That way you can drive traffic into people booking a phone call with you, and you can actually close the sale being upfront with how much you charge. For example, you can tell your potential market or the client on the phone, look, I charge 1,000 Rand for your son or daughter per hour. This is my time that I am spending with him or her, and I can bring the most value to your child so that they can become a super great sport player. Wouldn't you want that? That is how you can be frank or authentic enough with your potential prospect on the phone. So if you are a beginner, this is the fastest way you can start generating leads, converting leads on sales, running that Facebook ad, running $100, not $100, $100 ad, or a $50 ad, depending on your budget. And this is the fastest way you can actually close sales on the phone. If this was helpful, thank you and you're welcome. Try it now.